Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a product review about this product from Human Nature. If you are interested, please keep on watching. What are my thoughts about this product? So in today's video, we are going to talk about Human Nature Acne Defense Face Toner. I used this June 2nd and today is July 7th. 16. So it's over a month. For a toner to work on the face, you need to have at least 2 weeks. For all of that span of time, weeks and days, what are my thoughts? For packaging, okay, like very inexpensive plastic. This is 100 ml and for 115 pesos. I bought this at Robinsons supermarket. So you can find it very easily in a supermarket. I don't think you can find it in Watson's. Okay, for me, I saw it in Robinson, so just to let you know. And also, I think you can buy it online through Beautymagz, I think. Okay, so just do your search. You can find it. Human Nature is, they are prone to, not prone, but their products are more with naturally made ingredients. Okay, so most of this I was reading about it. It's more about fruit extracts, and I think there's a little bit of alcohol in this one. But also this has tea tree. Okay, so tree. So tea tree helps with reducing inflammation, calming down redness. So with my skin, did it work? A little bit. Okay, so what does it claim? So it says here it is pimple fighting for acne prone skin, no harmful chemicals, alcohol free, and pH balance. Alcohol free pala, pataka ang yo. So sorry, alcohol free pala siya. Okay, alright, so what are my thoughts about it? So application wise, very like normal, like any normal toner. Okay, you put a so you use a cotton ball, put the product on it, and then on the face, just like normal, you just have to swab it on the face, very gentle. Okay, so this claims to have AHA. So AHA is alpha hydroxy acid. What does AHA do or does, or how does it work on the skin? It helps with removing dead skin cells, and also if you have like impurities, clogged pores and such, it can help in taking those away. So AHA is really good for clearing up the skin, any dead skin, and also helps with the skin renewal. Okay, so AHA is really good. But if you have like more on like sensitive skin, BHA is the recommendation. Not only it is very good for your skin, but it also penetrates deeper, like if you have like blackheads. So that one I really like it, BHA. But for a toner, like just BHA toner, I don't think I saw any company doing that except for combination like AHA and BHA. Right, so much so for that. Let's go in. Application, after I did swab it on my face, I don't feel any like skin irritation, no skin itchiness, no skin burning. That's all that I'm very concerned about. And then after application, did I feel like any sensitivity on it? No, it doesn't. The only downside I feel about this product is that the smell. Smell is like a bark tree, like a wine barrel. I visited like a winery in Napa in California, so I feel like when I smell this one, like a tree bark or like a barrel, wine barrel, how you call those? Limited vocabulary. Anyway, so that's the only downside about it. But the smell doesn't really lingers. Okay, it dissipates. So I don't mind it. What I like about this is it is very gentle on the skin. Yes. And soothing, not really. It didn't suit any. Pimple fighting, I believe it wasn't that great. I still have like pimple coming in and out. And when I had that very big inflammation here on the side of my face, it didn't work. So, but did it get worse? No, not really. It did help calm it down a little bit, but not really that I can see like a big change. No, but it does help, like maybe for feeling wise, like not getting it worse. Okay, so pimple fighting, I would say in a percentage maybe 40%. So that one. It's very gentle for acne prone, yes. Sensitivity or like sensitive skin, yes, I'm okay with that. pH balance, which I'm really happy about with this product. It's this pH balance, that's what I like. Natural, yes. Food extract, yes. Fragrance, eh. Alright, so packaging like normal plastic, you know, they don't really spend much, but you know, 115 pesos, guys. It's very cheap. Okay, and this lasted me for over a month. I think I only gonna have like 3 days left now, so June 2nd, now July 16, and few more left. It's a good deal for this price. And what I like about it is how it removes like dirt on the face. That was like, I didn't expect that. This does do that job. I was like impressed. So when I see that cotton ball with the dirt on the cotton ball, I said, wow, that's something, you know. I wasn't expecting about it, because for me I was only like using it for here, like cleaning or like toning the, or like normalizing my skin pH. That's my like goal. And when it like clear, like, or like taking away dirt, like good. All right, so I think that would be my thoughts about this product. I liked it, so would I recommend it? Yes. If you are not sensitive to smell, go ahead, buy it. By all means, I would recommend it. But if your intention is for acne, not really, guys. You still need to have something to help with it, to fight or to control your acne flare-ups or your acne inflammation. Okay, so these are my thoughts. If you have any recommendation on like face toner, BHA, AHA, something like that, in a very affordable price, comment down below. Give me your thoughts, write me your comment, and I will read it. Okay, so again, so I think this will end my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell right next to it so you'll be notified every time I make a new upload. Thank you so much.